I got a confession to make. Okay. I tried this in the past, and when I feel like my eyes are a little puffy, but as far as the whole face dye, I ain't used all that. I use like little specks. Like, okay, I'll be honest. In the past, like when my acne was bad, in the past, and when I had lip blemishes, sometimes I wanted to cover it up. And my mom kind of asked me if I want to do that too, and I was like, yeah. Like, I'll admit it sucked, but I'm blessed now that I found something that worked, and have a wonderful dermatologist where that is behind me in the past. But I can tell you how well it worked though. And the times where my eyes kind of seem like a little puffy from like staying up or like doing a lot of things, not a lot of activities and stuff, I had to like cover up my eye a little bit just because it looked a little puffy, and you know, brown people and take pictures on it. You just want to look nice. You know what I'm saying? You want to look nice. So this is the Clinique Perfectly Real Makeup, and this is the shade. And you see it says dry combination to combination oily. Didn't know what the heck I was doing. Didn't know what the heck I was looking at. None of that. So I definitely needed some help. And she was sweet. She was nice. And I don't know. I would kind of look at this as what people call this a foundation concealer. Just what is this, foundation? Let me look on the back. Me and makeup names. But hey, as I'm turning on the back, it says 100% fragrance free. So yeah. And it came in this box right here. Ain't it pretty? I like this box. Yeah. See that? Even tones, perfectly matched with this natural finish. Let me clear this up so you can actually see it right quick. Okay, just enough to create skin's most natural look, only better. And that was definitely important to me because like I said before, what I did was I just kind of took a little bit out of the bottle and kind of just used like a Q-tip. Yeah, a Q-tip. I said that. A Q-tip, and kind of just dotted the whatever blemish I had, and it covered it up. I was like, okay, but at the same time I was like, I want my face to just be clear, just naturally clear, no covers ups, no none of that. I just wanted to be gone. But in the process, when my skin was actually clearing up with me using the medication that I use, let me stop doing that because I'm shaking the camera. When I noticed that my skin was clearing up, I stopped using this more and more, and it helped me to get to the next step of my face clearing up. So I salute you, big dog. You helped me out. But yeah, it wasn't like clumpy, you know, it didn't look like cakey, none of that. It was really light. It smelled quality too. I don't know, I kind of found myself sniffing it a little bit. Maybe that's weird. I don't know. But anyway, I'm gonna flip it over here and be quiet. Wait. This is great because me and my mom had the same thing. So I'm thinking, is hurts or what? Anyway, this is what it looked like on my skin. It wasn't too dark and it wasn't too light. Right now it kind of looks like but when I cover it up, I blended it in, it went right in with my skin, and my skin just looked really natural. Okay. Rubbed it in. What? Right. Like, it don't, you know, it looked like exactly my skin. Yeah, well, to me, somebody might say something different, but hey, it looked like my skin. Okay. But yeah, I mean, I rubbed it in just now. I just rubbed it in. I ain't smeared it off or nothing. I literally rubbed it in with this finger right here. See? Yeah, from this one to this one. Yeah, I rubbed it in with this finger. Okay. And right, you know what I'm saying? it cleared it up. And you just kind of twist it like this. I don't know how, you do it. Alright, come off, dang. Oops, sorry. And, don't do it so hard. Just do it really lightly and it'll come out. I said it will come out. I said it will come. Okay, oops. Dang. But yeah, dang it. And this is what it looks like. Let me, so you can see it clearly. See it? Pull up like that. But yeah, this is exactly what it looks like. And I mean, hey, I'll put it on my hand again. Just twist it and it'll lock. I like that. That's fancy. Okay? Now, you see I rubbed it in. Okay, I'm not done. I ain't done. Okay. And you can tell I'm like rubbing it in my hand because the camera's like shaking, so. And you probably can hear me rubbing the product on my hand too. And voila, it is all done. Right, so it combined with, and if you got, oh Jesus, my arms is hairy. I'll just put it on this. That's all my different phrases mixed all up in me. Okay, but yeah. That's the part where I rubbed it in and it blended in really nicely. So, yeah. Go on and copy this. Like, I felt, good wearing it. And even though I honestly ain't the makeup type, this actually helped me on my acne struggles. So, again, this is the Clinique Perfectly Real Makeup, and the shade is 37, and dry combination to combination oily 2 and 3.